Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Jamila here, and today I'm going to be showing you my wash day routine, and I'm going to be using Moerie Hair Repair and Growth set. It comes with a shampoo, conditioner, a repairing hair mask, and a growth spray. So I'm going to start out with my detangled hair. I like to detangle my hair before I shampoo it and do my whole wash routine because it just makes wash day that much easier and that much faster. So I just use like a sea moss gel to detangle my hair. So now I'm just rinsing it out and prepping it for my shampoo. So to start out, I'm going to go in with the mineral shampoo. This shampoo is going to get rid of the excess free radicals in your hair. It's going to remove the toxins and oils from your strands and from your scalp. And it's also going to promote hair growth and scalp health. For this shampoo, you really want to make sure that you rub it into your scalp and cleanse your hair. As you can see here, I'm just massaging my scalp and I'm gently bringing the shampoo down the length of my hair, being careful not to like get it tangled up and knotted up or anything like that, but you definitely want to wash your hair. This shampoo, it has fulvic minerals in it, and those are going to pump your hair with a lot of amino acids, vitamins, and minerals. And so whenever I shampoo my hair, I like to do it 2 times. On the second time, I always get it like really good lather. Lather is a lot faster and a lot more than the first time. And I just like to make sure that I actually get my scalp and my hair clean. So that's what I'm doing here. So next I'm going to go straight in with the mineral repairing hair mask, and this hair mask feels so good. It has so much slip and it goes in your hair very smoothly. It's very easy to spread into your hair. So all I'm going to do is section my hair off. One section I'm going to cover in some of the hair mask, and then I'm going to just pin it away, and then I'm going to go section by section, apply the hair mask, and go on and detangle my hair so that I make sure I don't have any knots in it and that the mask is evenly distributed all over my hair strands. And this mask is packed with a lot of minerals and vitamins, and it promotes hair growth. After I get done putting in the product in each section, I'm going to let it sit for about 5 minutes and then rinse it out. For this mask, they suggest to leave it in for 5 minutes. Of course, you can leave it in longer if you want, but I left it in for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I went on and rinsed it out. And let me tell you, my hair was feeling so soft after I rinsed it out. Super soft and super moisturized. So now I'm going in with the Mineral Ultimate Hair Growth Spray. And for this, you're going to want to spray it in your hair after it is freshly washed. After you complete your wash routine, you want to spray this into your scalp, all over your scalp. I pretty much just focus on the front portion of my scalp because that's where I have the most issues. But this Ultimate Hair Growth Spray is going to cover each individual hair follicle with fulvic minerals and biotin to boost hair growth and strengthen your hair and keep it healthy. And it's going to give you such a cooling and comforting sensation. It is so relaxing. So this is my hair after I washed it, and Yeah, it has no product in it. This is just what it's looking like. The curls are looking really nice. And so after I wash it, I put my product in my hair and I blow dried it just to stretch it out. And these are the results. Hi you guys. So today is the next day after using my Moerie Hair Products. I think that's something like how you say it. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm gonna call them Moerie Hair Products. Yeah, I just want to give you my thoughts on these products. Like I said, one thing I really like about this company is that they're like vegan, cruelty-free, silicone-free, paraben-free, fragrance-free. So they're pretty like safe product to use. They have pretty safe products. They have a lot of natural ingredients in their products. And then they also have that fulvic, they have those fulvic minerals in their products as an ingredient that really help to infuse your hair with vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It actually says 77 minerals, 5 vitamins, and 18 amino acids. So that's pretty good. Okay, so the number one thing I like all that, but what I really like about this company is that it is more so made for targeting hair growth, thinning hair, balding hair, hair loss, damaged hair follicles, and also scalp health, so preventing dandruff and flaking, which is something that I deal with. So that is the number one thing. I really like that about this company, and that's like the number one thing that sort of had me interested in these products. So to start out, talking about the shampoo, this shampoo is, let's see, it smells good. It has a very soft scent. I feel like it's sort of like grapefruity, so it smells good, very soft scent. And this is going to get your hair clean, okay? It is going to get your hair clean. You want to make sure you rub it into your scalp. That's what they say in their instructions. But when I put this in my hair and I wash my hair with this, it definitely is a shampoo that's going to clean your hair, which is good because you need a good shampoo that's going to clean your hair and take out all of the excess gunk and dirt and oils from your scalp and your hair strands. When you do that, that is how you get the products that you use after your shampoo to actually do their job to the best of their ability. And I used to, I'm just now figuring this out recently and realizing this, but before, with co-washing and all that, I think it's fine every now and then. But to really get your products to work, like your styling products, your deep conditioners and all that to work, you want to make sure your hair is clean, okay? So it can absorb and allow the products after you shampoo it to do everything that they need to do and that they can do without any like barriers stepping in the way. So this shampoo is really good. It is definitely something that's going to clean your hair really well. It is not a moisturizing shampoo or anything like that. It's definitely going to get your hair clean. So going on to the conditioner. Now this conditioner smells amazing. Smells just like the shampoo, and it feels good, has a nice little like feel to it, but it does not have the amount of slip that I would prefer for my natural kinky curly hair. So this is definitely something that I would use, but I would just keep in mind that it doesn't have a lot of slip in it. So honestly, this isn't my favorite thing in the line. This would probably be like the lowest ranked, but this conditioner is probably more suitable for someone with straighter hair or really like a looser curl pattern if their hair is curly. But for my like kinky curly hair, it does not have the amount of slip that I love to have in conditioners. So yeah, that's my thought on the conditioner. It's not my favorite thing just because of the slip. That's such a key thing that I need in my conditioners, but it has all the good ingredients in it to help keep your hair healthy. It's just missing the slip factor, So what I did yesterday is I totally skipped the conditioner and I just went on to their mineral repairing hair mask. And this is a plus in my opinion. This has a lot of slip. The only thing I don't like is it's such a small amount. Like I like this a lot. I would want a bigger jar of this. So this doesn't smell bad or anything, but it doesn't have as much of a fruity scent as the shampoo and conditioner. But it's like a soft scent. I don't know how to describe it. It's nothing crazy. But yeah, this has a lot of slip. I used it yesterday, I don't know if you can see how much I used. I used a good amount, nothing crazy, but putting this in my hair was very nice, very easy. It spread very easy. I like the thickness of it. It's not too thin, not too thick. And the slip is great, okay? It's great. Combing through my hair was a breeze. I mean, as much of a breeze as it can be, but combing through my hair was pretty easy. It had a lot of slips, so I loved that. And when I rinsed the conditioner out, my hair felt very moisturized. And they also recommend for this, it only requires like 5 minutes for it to do its job deep conditioning your hair. So of course you can leave it on longer, I'm sure that's fine, but I think that's pretty good if it does its job in 5 minutes. So I really like this conditioner. I would buy this conditioner again for sure. So the last product I use on my hair is their Mineral Ultimate Growth Spray. But the instructions for this are to spray it into your scalp after you get done washing your hair. So after you get done shampooing and conditioning your hair, you'll want to spray this into your scalp and massage it in. And so I noticed the difference when I did that correctly yesterday. My hair had this tingling sensation. I felt like something was happening. It was a very like cool feeling that I didn't feel before when I used this, when I had like already styled my hair and everything. So it's definitely important to use this how it is recommended to be used after you get done washing your hair, before you put any products in it, and make sure you massage it into your scalp. So I'm really excited about this. You know, I've only been using this for a little while, so we're gonna see. One thing that I was really excited for this and the rest of the line for, you know, how they target hair loss and thinning hair, is because one sort of frustration or problem for me is my hair is not very thick around my temples. And I also have like a widow's peak. And so I sort of feel like it has gone, I don't know, I just sort of feel like the hair around here has thinned a little bit. It's never been super thick up here, but if you can see, like, you know, my hair here is not very thick. And then on this side as well, it's not super thick. So what I want to do, and I also have like some breakage too. So my goal, I want to use this to nourish this part and get it to thicken up and get my hair follicles to really push out some hair. So that's one of the reasons why I'm really excited about this product and the rest of the line, because of my sort of thin front of my hair and my temples. So yeah, I'm gonna use this for a while and see how it is, because my hair is so thin. Like, I only wear my hair certain ways. Like, I would never wear my hair in a straight, like, pulled back bun. Like, I'm always gonna have a part, and I'm going to sort of maneuver my hair some way to make it more flattering and to sort of cover up the thinness I have up front. Like, that's just what I'm gonna do. So honestly, if I can just get this to thicken up my temples and to get my hair follicles healthier in the front, I will be very happy with that. So in addition, I didn't really talk about these yet, but in addition, they also have some other products, since they're all about hair growth and thinning hair and all of that. They also have products for the hair on your lashes, for your eyelashes, and also the hair on your eyebrows, I have been using the Eyelash Ultimate Growth Serum, and with this you just line the brush and the product around your lash line. You don't need to put it on your lashes, just around your lash line, so that the product can like get into your lash follicles. And then this Ultimate Brow Serum, I have not used yet. So all you do is this, and you rub this on your eyebrows. And so you're gonna use these, they recommend to use these at nighttime before you go to sleep, but they say you can use it twice a day. So with eyelash serum, what I've been doing for the past few days, I've been using it in the morning and at night. So I'm excited about that. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in these Moerie products, then be sure to check the description box. I have a 10% coupon code for your orders. And thanks to Moerie for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a comment down below to let me know. Give a thumbs up and subscribe for more. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye.